code that we got. We're gonna service the entire SCR system. SCR module, 7th injector, air valve, dozer valve. 7th injector. Ow, everything's fucking hot. Okay, we're disconnecting the fuel line. So we replaced the 7th injector on the passenger side behind the turbo. Now we're going to change the dozer valve. Okay, we got the dozer valve replaced. We clipped the lines, and yeah. Alright, we took out the old SCR module. It was a bitch. Here's the new one. We're going to put it in, and then we're going to program the regen.